Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the hair tutorial channel, and on this channel we look at everything hair, and today we're going to be looking at the up and coming hair trends for spring and summer. Now these always get thrown out with a curveball when a celebrity goes and gets their hair cut and coloured and everybody wants it. However, these are the things that I'm seeing on Instagram, Facebook and coming in and out of the salon. So the overall trend seems to be of low maintenance, and this brings us to cutting. Yes, it's been around for a while, but it certainly is making a comeback. And if you look on Instagram, it is absolutely everywhere, and that is the one length cut. Obviously, this is easy to maintain and gives you a number of styling options. Now, the most popular seems to be just on the shoulder or slightly above the shoulder. And this gives you the flexibility to still be able to tie it back, to wear it half up, half down, to curl it, or to wave it. And of course you can still always just wear it straight. It's a versatile haircut, it's simple to maintain, and it looks stylish and sleek. And with that just off the collarbone cut, it looks phenomenal, whether you have it blunt or whether it is soft and feathered and more of a worn-in look. Now balayage, it is still here and it is still here to stay. However, the contrast seems to be being muted. Whereas before we would try maybe to lift the ends of the hair to 3 to 5 levels of difference so that you had a darker root with lighter ends, and then we would try and tone those ends to a nice clean blonde. Clients are coming in not wanting such a stark contrast between their roots and their ends. So instead of going 3 to 5 levels of lift, it's more like going 2 to 3 levels of lift. This means you still get a soft lived in sort of colour, but it's more of a natural look and less high maintenance. Seeing a lot of softer blondes coming through, as well as sort of mushroom colours on those ends to tone down the contrast. And of course I think clients are still covering themselves, wondering whether there's going to be another lockdown, or also as well from a financial point of view, just wanting to have a more lived in natural look without such a high contrast so that it doesn't have to be done as frequently. Now on the other hand, we have colour correction. Yeah, people have decided to embrace the grey. Now, grey has been a massive trend, but obviously it's involved lightening the hair and then artificially colouring them grey. However, during this lockdown, a lot of people have decided to embrace the grey, but that's going to mean having those ends where there is colour cut off, or it's going to mean those ends being stripped and coloured to match into their base grey colour. I think this is so stylish, and of course is a great money saver. Once you get past that initial colour correction phase, they're not going to have their hair coloured. Now fringes. Fringes come and go, and we hear short, long, feathered, soft, but at the moment it seems to be all about the curtain fringe. Whether that's a short curtain fringe or a longer curtain fringe, these are absolutely everywhere, and they do complement a lot of styles, and again more of a softer lived in natural look. And we've seen this on ad campaigns where they're blown out and flicked into more of a 70s style to more of a softer, more natural look. These are something that are quite low maintenance, and once again a really fantastic fringe which complements a lot of different styles and can even be incorporated into just a one length cut. Like everything, there is always one that stands out from the crowd, and that's colour paneling. So large sections, whether it be the fringe or 2 side panels or one half of the head coloured in a very contrasting colour from the rest of the hair. This seems to be something that's more prolific in the younger clientele. We're seeing the traditional sort of pinks and blues where the hair has been pre-lightened, but we're also seeing a lot of sort of coppers, silvers, a lot of obviously pre-lightened hair that's been toned. These trends are variable, and if you've got a trend in your area that I haven't mentioned, why not comment below on what you're seeing coming into your salon and coming into your area so that we can all gauge if this could be a future trend. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for weekly videos and tutorials, and check out some of these videos coming up.